Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go Guitar. We have Alec Benjamin here. We're gonna learn how to play king size bed. Alright, so this is mainly about 4 different chords. We'll throw in a 5th chord here to handle the bridge part later on, but mainly 4 chords from the beginning till the very end almost. So let's dive into this one. No need for any capo here, so we're gonna learn the chord. We're gonna start with D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We'll throw in a bar chord here, actually 2 of them, but we'll start with the A sharp sus chord here. So that's a bar here on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And then we have the F, that's another bar chord here. You need to bar all strings on the 1st fret this time. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C as well. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have this A minor for the bridge part. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so like I mentioned, we have 4 chords that builds up this main part here, and it goes D minor, A sharp, F, and C. We need to learn the strumming pattern, and if you listen carefully, right in the beginning of the song, you can hear the guitar there, so we'll use that strumming pattern. It works for the entire song. So let's grab this first chord, the D minor, all right? So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern with the first chord, D minor. And this actually has 2 different parts of it, because we're gonna use the 2 different parts later in the bridge part. But anyway, let's take a look at the first part. With D minor, it sounds down, down, up, down. All right, so that's the first part. Down, down, up, down. All right. And then comes part 2, which is down, up, down. So down, up, a short pause, and then up, down. Okay, so if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, and a couple rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm goes. Right, so for the main part here, I mentioned the chord progression D minor, A sharp, F, and C. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord. So alright, so you do that almost through the entire song, but then about 1 minute and 45 seconds into the song comes this bridge part in, and this is where we're going to use the different parts of the strumming. So the chord progression here will be A minor to A sharp to D minor to C. All right, so you're going to play A minor part 1, then A sharp part 2, D minor part 1, and C part 2. So 2 chords splits now on 1 full string around. So it goes like this slowly. A minor, then A sharp, part 2, and then D minor part 1, and C part 2. Put this together, it will be do that, I believe, 4 rounds in total, and then you go back to the main part again and fulfill the song. And that pretty much covers Alec Benjamin's King Size Bed. It's a nice guitar song, fits guitar very well with the strumming pattern, and not too hard, these chords either. So give it a try, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you really enjoyed it, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.